Hi friends, this is BT Rao. Welcome to my channel BT Ways. We are talking about adventure camp at RANGASEELA. Total 7 days camp and morning warm up exercise. Our starting activity mountain trekking. We are going to trekking SITHA mountain. The SITHA mountain nearby RANGASEELA village. SITHA mountain, totally single stone mountain, and we are finally reached our final destination place. Wow, what a beautiful place. Yeah, we are enjoyed a lot. Wow, what a beautiful viewpoints in SITHA mountain. We are enjoyed, fully enjoyed. Tiger sir was explaining everything in adventure camp. In our trekking, our wildlife photography, some pictures, spiders, flowers, some fruits. Yes, I think we don't know that was what that name. And mountain rappelling in this camp, one of the activity, 200 feet height mountain. I was enjoyed a lot that time. I never forget this activity in my life. Wow, what a experience on that rappelling. And we are going to visit Pedabailu waterfalls. Wow, what a beautiful waterfall. Yes, we are enjoyed a lot. Beautiful place to visit nearby Araku. Some things. Yes, wow, what a beautiful things. Some puppies. Wow, so cute. Friendly puppies. So cute puppies. And beautiful nature in RANGASEELA village side agricultural lands. So we are preparing for campfire last day. Bye friends, bye. Like and subscribe please.